Hey everybody, it's Brooke, and I'm gonna be doing journaling cards today. And I'm gonna alter a index card. All right, let's get started. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna make sure that it's the correct way. I'm gonna ink it up. I swear it's all I ever do. I'm gonna have one strong right hand. And this is just a 3x5 index card. I get them at the dollar store, like a pack of 100 for hardly nothing. All right, I got a piece of, this came out of scrapbook, like a scrapbook paper. And I just cut it out and inked it up. Oh, let me move this light before, so it doesn't. There you go, inked it out. And then a piece of, I think this was out of that same scrapbook pad. I guess a faux dictionary. And a stamp, same scrapbook pad. A bee that I did on tissue paper, and a little lavender. Okay, I got my Fabri-Tac upside down, so it's going to be coming out because I am going to use it all. It's too expensive not to. And I just stick it in my little cup. Oh, and this is supposed to go first. Whoops. Okay. Make sure I'm still the right orientation. I made a couple that were upside down to each other. Place that there. And then this here. And then the stamp. And then let me rip this a little bit. Oh, I don't want to do that one yet. I'm going to do that one on the back side, and I think I'm going to put the bee like right there. This is my watered down Mod Podge. And I'm not going to go over the image because they've been running. I was using Mod Podge straight, but ever since I added water to it, it makes my image run. All right, there we go. That's that side. All right, same way. And then I'm gonna add this in the corner, just for a little decoration. Get the, ooh, I almost ripped it. Uh-oh, sorry. People always text you when you're filming, don't they? Hit the button, maybe it won't do it again. I'll put this in the corner. Wrong way. Just go around the edges. And I'm just going to sit this over here to dry. There's the back part. And I will sew around the whole thing, and I'll come back and show you that after I do it. Let's go on to the next one. Then I'll sew them all and then show them to you. Wipe up some of this glue. All right, the next one, this is an Artie Mays free download off of her website. It's just, I just printed it out on cream cardstock. And I'm just gonna put paper on the back and sew around this one. And I got a piece of ledger paper out of that scrapbook pad. And I think I'm just gonna rip it and add it on there. And I've got this, haha, from watching Tracy Fox. I ordered it off of Amazon UK, and it came in 3 days, which amazed me, and cost me $11. It was like 4 pounds maybe, and then the shipping. I'm gonna have to rip that by hand. Let's see. I will edit this out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rip this one by hand. Okay. Ink it up, and I'll go through this too. I'm going to ink it up with the tea dye, and then edge it out with the coffee ground, and I'll be right back. All right, this way up. Whoops, I made it a little big. Let me rip this one. Okay, all right, that fits, that works. All right, glue it up. Get in the cornice. Sorry if that's loud. Quit licking, Bear. Sorry, my dog is over there chewing his butt. He does that every time. Bear! And I don't understand, why is it when you're filming, crazy stuff happens. Either you mess up or dogs chewing their butts. All right. There's that one. And I will sew around this one as well. Looks like it already has some stitching. Okay. The next one is another Artie Mays download. And this is a smaller, looks like 3x4. Plain cardstock on the back. And I think I'm going to do this tea dye paper, and I'm gonna rip it as well. Sorry about that, guys. I know you heard my phone ring. That was the dealership telling me about my car needs a new battery. So I might as well, I told him to go ahead and change the oil and rotate the tires for me and everything. So that's probably gonna cost me a cool $280. Great. But anyway, I got cut off by that phone and I thought that I was still recording. I didn't know that the video cuts off recording when your phone rings, because my phone is connected to my iPad, which I need to disconnect that. Okay, I'll show you the ones. They're all finished. This one has been sewn. Here's the back. I added muslin tabs with a staple to these. Sewn. There's the back. This one. And I did the little chicken feet. I like it. That's what I call it, chicken feet. And then that side. And then I believe this one, I don't know if this one got recorded. But there's that one with the little fancy stitch. And the back of that one. I think it's the only one you didn't see, so I just added the ledger paper, inked it up, sewed around, added the tab. Okay, sorry for the interruption. And there are my journaling cards. I hope it gives you some ideas, and thank you for watching.